Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to use WhatsApp in multiple devices. So how you gonna do that? For example, if you are using WhatsApp in any of your device and if you want to use WhatsApp in more than one devices, then what you have to do? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to Play Store and you have to simply search for the WhatsApp and install the WhatsApp on that device. After installing, what you have to do, you have to simply open the WhatsApp, but you have to simply do not give mobile number to that WhatsApp on that device, but you have to simply click on the three dots on the login screen, and after that you will find the option of link a device, and where you will find a QR code. And after that, what you have to do, you have to click here link a device, and you have to simply scan that QR code which is showing on that device. And in this way you can scan QR code and use your WhatsApp on the same device without any ease without so there is also another method which you can use to use WhatsApp in multiple devices, which is as WhatsApp on web. So what you have to do, you have to simply search for WhatsApp web, and you have to make sure that you convert your browser to desktop site. And if you convert that, then you can find this kind of interface, and where you can simply find the same QR code. And here what you have to do, you have to simply scan that QR code by simply the previous method I have described to you. In this way you can use WhatsApp on multiple devices, both on WhatsApp app and WhatsApp web on your mobile. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.